Hi, I'm Karen. I'm the Chief Exec of Groundwork North Wales. Groundwork North Wales is an environmental charity that works across North Wales to support the local communities of the 6 counties within North Wales. Our agenda tackles some of the social disadvantages that people might be facing across those communities around worklessness, fuel poverty, food poverty and furniture poverty. We have a very diverse portfolio of activities that we do. We always use the natural environment as a catalyst for change. We believe that engaging people with the natural environment helps them tackle and face some of those challenges, because their mental health and well-being and their physical health and well-being is improved by that engagement in the natural environment. So we were nominated following our recent success in the Wrexham Social Enterprise Awards, where we were successful in the Making a Difference category. For my mind, what makes our organisation special is the impact that we have on the ground with the people that we engage with. When you hear it firsthand from an individual about the difference you've made to their lives, there's nothing more rewarding than that. Just recently, a young man who was in our Communities for Work programme spoke to me at our offices, and he told me how he'd left home at 14, he'd been working since he was 15, and how he turned to drugs. His engagement with us, post obviously his recovery from substance abuse, has helped him gain in confidence, in self-esteem. He's got new friends, a new social circle, and for him, he's told us how the impact that we've made on his life has made such a difference, and that it's brought him back to his community and his ability to change his life for the better for the future.